My empty belly and my body aches ain't hard to take. Next to the weight I carry in my chest, a pound of flesh could never tip the scale that I've made. I should have stayed, but I was never wise. I hear your voices in the wind that cuts the night, and I pray to whatever is listening, things will be alright. Feeling easy and find them all the more familiar roads. I got a darkness wrapped inside me, but now it ain't so hard to let it go. So keep a candle burning in the window, I'm almost home.